Yo, what's up, you guys? It's me, Serge. I'm here chilling at the house. We're actually about to install some tire stickers on the GT350. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the tire, and then we're gonna clean the rim. It has a lot of brake dust. We take off all the little tire stubs. See, it's pretty dirty. We do a little light sand. This is where I originally had the old previous tire sticker. You can tell I messed it up pretty bad, so I got to sand all this down, clean it down with acetone. That way it has a real good sticky surface. So first step, pretty much just clean the tires. I'm gonna clean the tires on all four corners, and then after that, continue on with the process. I'm cleaning the tire and trying to get all the dirt. I already cleaned it once. This is actually the second pass, so that we can take all that grease and dirt out. I'm mainly focusing on the parts where I want to put the stickers. So from this Michelin flag all the way up to right here. Mainly scrub that. And then I got these two special brushes, one for the lug nuts, and then one within the actual rim, even inside to get all that brake dust. Because over time that brake dust will collect, and it'll just be all over the whole tire. So this is the first phase of the cleaning. So I just got done washing all the wheels and tires, so you can see. Now we can actually start installing the tire stickers. We got to remove all these little rubber studs. I got some sandpaper that I'm gonna clean all this off with. Wipe it down with acetone. You can finally start laying your sticker.
So you want this thing looking slick, huh?
Who's your good boy? Who's your good boy? Who's your little good boy? Well, so like I said, I got some 220 sandpaper, some real thin stuff. That way I can hit this up right here without it affecting the tire at all. And it did a pretty good job. You can see some of the old glue. Now it's nice, flat, and flush. All the way out. And now I'll clean all that off with acetone. You won't even be able to tell. Alright, so it's hot, but I'm officially done with the first tire. That dog won't shut up. Whoa! So what I'm using right now to clean the tires is going to be some duplicate color acetone. What we're going to do is we're going to give it about 3-4 passes until no whatsoever dirt comes off the tire, and you should be good to apply it. I got gloves too for safety. Remember, safety first. Finally finished cleaning the tires with acetone. See this process, you constantly have to scrub up and down since you have grooves within the tire decal, and then scrub it side to side, making sure you're getting all that dirt. Once you know it's complete, you can wipe sideways and you should pick up no dirt. Let's give it a quick look. Check it out. You can still see some of that old paint or some of that old glue from that previous tire sticker, but you won't be able to see it once we put that new one on there. So the tire sticker should now actually slap right on there and it should stick pretty good. And niggas talking down, no. Yeah, made 100 plays in the fold. Gotta maintain, stay focused. It started raining, so I really couldn't get no footage of me actually installing the tire sticker. But you can kind of see where the glue oozed out right there. I'll just have to sand it out and clean it with some acetone. But overall, it came out pretty good. Now, for spacing, it's your own preference. Like here, I kind of started thinking about spacing. When I first started out, I didn't really think much of it. So I thought it'd look better if it was flush with it. But this looks a little bit more factory made, so. Alright, so after 2 days, I finally finished. I stopped yesterday because then it ended up getting too dark, and today I had to start late because it was raining. But I finally finished, and let me show you the overall look. That's it right there. There's Michelin. Let's peel this sticker off right here. It's probably one of them satisfying videos for you weird kinky people. Just kidding. And that's it. Probably see the Shelby get wrapped later on in the future. My goal or plan is to wrap this part, something like that. Yeah, wrap that part and the mirrors, and also get the tint. So stay tuned for more videos. Take care. Deuces.